Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. I already prepped my nails off camera and applied my peel off base coat. Now I'm going to apply my Double Dip 4-in-1 base coat to my nails and cure in the mini nail lamp. So I got these gel full coverage nail tips from AliExpress. As you can see, they are really short. So I chose out my sizes off camera. Now I'm just going to apply them using the A-press dupe method. So I apply base coat to the nail tip and then I place it on my nail and apply pressure and then cure in the nail lamp. Since the nails were really short, I had a little issue when holding the nails in place under the lamp. I couldn't get a good grip of the nails sometimes. Now I'm just going to file the nails a bit. Then I go around the cuticle area so that the nail tips are flush with my cuticles. Then I buff the surface of the nails to remove the shine. So in this video, I'm going to be using Double Dip Nude Dip Powder and Magnolia, which is a very light purple dip powder. I don't have much of the nude dip powder, so I'm just going to pour it into the dip powder cover for easier access. I'm using my Pro Dip base for the ombre nails. Well, I think it's for the whole video since I experienced a little issue when I ombred using the Double Dip base because it dries really fast and I'm not that good with ombre nails, so I wanted to use the base coat with the thicker consistency. So I applied base to the index nail and then I'm just sprinkling the purple dip powder at the tip area, then the nude dip powder at the nail bed area. Now on the second layer, I'm starting with the nude dip powder first. And then the purple dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that. On the pinky nail, I'm doing another ombre nail. Moving on to the middle nail, I'm applying base to the whole nail and then I dip into the purple dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Then I did the same for my thumbnail. Next, I applied activator to harden the middle and thumbnail. So I'll be using these circle glitters in this nail set. I got these glitters on Amazon. I applied gel base coat to my ring nail and I'm just going to be applying these circle glitters all over the nail. Then I cure for 30 seconds. On the middle nail, I'm doing a glitter ombre nail. So I apply the gel base and then I stuck some of the circle glitter on the nail to create an ombre nail. I did the same for my thumbnail. Now I'm using Double Dip Clear Dip Powder to encapsulate the nails, and I spoke about this in my previous video. I'm not supposed to use dip powder liquids when I already used gel liquids on the middle, ring and thumbnail. I should have used the gel base coat and the clear dip powder to encapsulate those nails. Then I applied activator to harden the nails. So I'm just going to be filing the nails with my Melody Susie e-file and McCart dust collector. This is after filing of the nails. Now I'm just going to be applying my Bellavena gel top coat to all of the nails, and then I cure for 30 seconds. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm really liking these short nails. Let me know what you think of this nail design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.